All right, folks, we're going to take a look at a new piece of gear. This is the Wolf and Grizzly Grill Kit. It's the M1 series. The reason I picked this up is because when I go off on most of my fishing trips, sometimes we want to have shore lunch, but we're not necessarily looking to cook, fish and fries and stuff like that. Sometimes, you got the kids and you just want to do maybe some burgers or some fries, but you don't necessarily have a clean spot to cook. So take a look at this guy. I'll tell you right now, this is not a light piece of equipment. So I haven't used this one. I did buy it myself. It comes in a great little carrying case here. We're going to unzip it. I'll show you what we're working with. It's designed as a two-piece unit. Comes with a cleaning cloth. Comes with a cleaner. So what we have here is the cleaning cloth, and it comes with this frame. Right, so we open up the frame, spread it out, and it can go into multiple heights. And the way it works is here's your actual grilling surface. So you've got to hook this center piece on to give it a stable area. And then there's 3 height areas here based on these little notches. And you can also use it just flat. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put it on maybe the second one. We're going to be cooking up some sausages today over an open fire still. So what we have there, nice grill now. So the idea is, boom, put this over top of an open fire, and now I got a really sturdy spot to actually do my cooking. And like anything else, I'm on the shore here, we're doing some fishing, and so you got to get the angle just right, but I can build that right over top of a fire. Now I could put this on its lowest form and just use it as a flat surface, but this is the way it is. You can see how fast it was to set up. Now what we're going to do is actually try and see how it is cooking. All right, so as you can see, what we've done here now, started the fire, put the grill right over top of it. That's the beauty of it, right? I don't have to fit it into a certain spot, and I can also access the wood to add more wood or adjust the wood if I want. And so now here, you see this, we got 4 big sausages here that are going on. And not a stitch of weight issue. The other thing that's nice is I lifted it up actually because it's a little bit high, so we'll just watch this cook these sausages. All right, folks, so I'm here to do the kind of my final impressions of my Wolf and Grizzly portable grill here. This is going to be the 4th time that I've used it, and I'm a big fan, and I'm going to tell you why. For my purposes, it doesn't really matter how much it weighs or how big it is. So if you were doing like day hikes and ultralight packing, it's probably a bit heavy, but for my purposes, where I'm mostly doing shore lunches, where it's in the boat, size is not an issue, but the trade-off is it's extremely sturdy. What I really, really like about this, though, is it's got 3 cooking heights. So right now I'm going to be on the 2nd highest ground. So if I have a smaller fire, I can just reduce the height and get my food closer to it. I love the cooking surface. So I can cook like a dozen hot dogs, probably 6 to 8 hamburgers at a time on it. I love the fact that it cleans up really easy. And what it's really done is given us way more options. Like normally, if we're going to go out fishing for a day, we got to do some sandwiches, and then you don't know if you can keep them cold, or maybe you want something hot to eat. But now we can come out, and if we want to do burgers, if we want to do sausages, if we want to do hot dogs, whatever you want to do, all you need is a super small fire, and you're all set. So if you're looking for a way to have more options for cooking over a fire, this is an awesome grill that gives you a lot of flexibility and a lot of size. So check it out. I'll put a link if you want to learn more about the Wolf and Grizzly Grill. But right about now, it's time for us to have some dinner.